Hey there, everybody. Happy Thursday. Uh, Congratulations on almost making it through another week. I got a question today from Chase in our class. It's a good question, and it's a question about this section of the drawing right here. So I'm going to go over this, and in thinking through this, I realized there's a couple things I can point out that'll be helpful to you guys. So let's go over those things. So you might want to grab that and put it near you. Okay, so this dimension, so I set up a couple basic construction lines. So from this to this is 0.5. And then from this line to this line is 1.2. So that represents, that basically boxes in that section of the part. So it'll box in this little area right here. Okay. So I just drew this circle, and I'm going to draw the other circle over here. You could mirror that if you wanted to, but I'll go ahead and draw it. And the way I drew that was I used the tan radius. And so specify first tangency, that's going to be about here, and then there, and then it's a 0.1 radius. And you end up with your circle right there. Okay, so now we're on the correct layer. And then you may have noticed in the circle toolbar that there is down below that a tan option. So that means 3 tangents. So obviously, so with no number inputs, it's basically just tangent. And that can be used in this situation. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to go tangent here, go tangent there, and then we'll go tangent there. So again, we're going to click tangent roughly where we want our circle to be tangent, and we end up with a nice circle that fits exactly where we need it to go. And then I'll grab a straight line and I'll just finish off this portion right there. All right, then we can grab our trim tool. I'm going to go ahead and turn off my construction layer because it will allow you to trim 2 construction lines. And so you'll be trimming, there's a lot more sections to trim if that's the case. So we'll go trim and then enter. We can just go click that and click that. And that. Okay. All right, so I'm going to introduce another tool that'll help you guys out on this as well. Some of you may have tried to offset that, and you'll notice that you can only offset one individual line at a time. A way to get around that is we'll go down here to the in the modify tab. We'll do the drop down. And this is the join command. So we're going to go ahead and join all these lines. Enter. And now all of a sudden we have a fully joined polyline, which is pretty handy. And with that polyline, we can go ahead and offset. And our offset is going to be 0.1. I'm just double checking that. Yeah, looks like 0.1. And we're almost there. So, so this brought in this without the radius. So what we'll have to do is fillet that area. So we'll grab our fillet tool. And I'm going to go R enter to do the radius of 0.1. Then repeat the fillet right there. All right, so that is what it ends up looking like. And hopefully that'll help you guys out. It should make life a little simpler. And then no reason to draw on this twice. So just go ahead and mirror that geometry over to the other side and you should be good. So again, thank you for the question. And I think this will help everyone in class. So yeah, keep sending me questions and I'll talk to you guys later.